Dakai is to open. Shu is a book. Dakai shu, open your book. Then you have read aloud, which is 请大声读. 请大声读 means please read aloud. Then you have 再读一遍. Read once again or repeat. 再读一遍, you can repeat 再读一遍. Then you have 一起读, which is read together. 一起读, yes. So I've realized that whenever I go back to admit some people, then it will stop to screen record. So latecomers. Next time munanso nyu abambi. Not admit you. So we continue. The early comers, well done. Thank you for respecting our class. Then we have the third chapter, which is very interesting. I hope you guys will love it. This is 你叫什么名字? Okay, 你叫什么名字? It means what's your name in Chinese. Okay, what is your name? In Chinese we say 你. Remember 你, we learned it in the first lesson. You remember? In the very first chapter, we learned 你, and 你 means you. 叫 means hold. 什么 is what, and 名字 is name. So what's your name? We say 名字. All right. I want you to take some, like 1 minute and look at these pictures. A, B, C, D, F. Okay? And try to, interpret them according to your own thoughts. You can see the pictures, right? All right. We have words 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 6. All right. So here we are matching. So 1. This word we read it as 中国. And 中国 means, who can try? 中国, what does it mean? What do you think it means? Is it B? Is it A? Is it C? Is it D, E, or F? 中国. Jungo is what? Who can try?
Means C.
C. Who said that? Is it Frank? Is the one Frank?
It's
Yes.
C.
It is C. Well done. Yes, it is C, of course. Yes. Jungo. Jungo means China. Yes, Jungo is China. Then we have 2. 2 is 美国.
D.
Yes, very good. 美国 is America. Okay, or the USA. So in Chinese we say 美国. This 美 means beautiful, and 国 stands for country. Okay, 中国 is China. 中 means in the middle, and 国 is country. So the country in the middle. The ancient Chinese used to believe that China is a country located in the central. Okay, like among all the Asian countries. So it's 中国. Then we have 3. 中国人 means what? Who can try? Is it D?
Chinese.
Yes,
F.
Chinese. Yes. Is it? So
Yes.
these are the Chinese, right? On F, yes. So in your book, you
F.
just bring this F, write it here. Yes, so that in future when you're revising, you remember that Chinese people we say 中国人, and this is the picture. Yes, 中国人.
Chungori.
Remember, 中国 is China. And if you add ren, which is people, we learned that. Okay, ren means people or person. So 中国人 is Chinese people. Okay, it doesn't matter if the person is one, singular or plural. It remains the same. Okay, you don't say like peoples. No, in Chinese, nothing like that, or person or people. No. So just say 中国人. Yes, 中国人. 中国人, Chinese people. How about 4? 美国人. 美国人 is what?
E.
Yes.
American.
Yes,
Yeah.
Americans. Because Meiguo is American. And if you add Ren, you see, the characters are also easy. Look at this character. It looks like a person. People who used to draw stickman in primary. If you put the head here and the arms here, this is a person walking. You see, this is a foot. This is the leg, and the waist. You see, so you can relate. Ren is a person. The Meigoren, the Americans. Then we have Lao Shi. Who can guess what does Lao Shi mean? Is it a?
T- teacher.
Yes. Wow, I like that. Lao Shi is teacher.
Laoshi.
Yes.
Yes,
So
teacher.
yes, so
A.
you guys can call me Lao Shi. Yes. You guys can call me
T.
Lao Shi.
Laoshi.
Yes, you can call me Lao Shi. Mm. So the Lao Shi is A. Yes, A. So just bring this A and write it here. Yes. Our exams in the future will be like this. So just put this A here. We have number 6, which is 学生. 学生 means what? Who can guess?
Students.
Students. Yes, these are the students. So you just bring this B here. 学生. You see? Yes. Chinese is Chinesing. Chinese is what? Is Chinesing. Yes. So we have the first part of lesson P. And we have person A, person B. I'm going to choose two. I want two volunteers. The first one is going to be Mr. or Miss. Where are you? Miss who? Who can be A? I want someone to play role A and someone to play role B. Who is ready to be A? Who is ready?
Pardon?
Yes, you can speak. You can read. If you want to be A, you just move on and read this sentence, this question, because it has a question mark. Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
What is your name?
Okay.
You are asking.
Yes, I didn't ask you to read it in English. Anyway, let's first go through the new words. This is jiao. You can repeat after me. Jiao. And jiao means to call. Okay, to call someone or to be called. Okay, maybe I'm called Paul. You are called Frank. You are called Peter. Yes, called. Shema means what? Shema means what? 名字 means name. 我 means I. Okay, so if you say like 你叫什么名字? Let's go very slow. 你叫什么名字? See again. 你叫什么名字? It means what is your name? And B replies 我叫. Okay, so you replace ni with wo because you're talking about yourself, I or me. Then jiao is to be called. Yue is the name of a person. Yue is name of a person. So if you want to, next time if I ask you or a Chinese asks you, 你叫什么名字? Just reply 我叫 blah 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 blah. 我叫 Frank. 我叫什么? 我叫 Shira. 我叫 Percy. 我叫 John. 我叫 ABCXYZ. You see? Very easy. You just say 我叫. Okay? Yes. So I can see it's coming to the end of our meeting tonight. Okay, we have like 2 minutes to the end. All right, and I would say thank you to all people who managed to join today's class. Yes, thanks for joining.
I have some question, please, Mr. Teacher.
Yes, what's your question before we end?
Yeah, is there any way you can record the video then you share with us, please?
Yes, I'm trying my best, but people who come late, whenever I try to admit them in the meeting, then it will stop recording. So I go back again. Yes, thank you for your hearts. I've seen your hearts. Yes. I love my students a lot, and I know my students love me too. So we keep in touch, and yes, I hope you guys understand whatever that I'm teaching. Yes. So good night. Yes, good night, and see you on Saturday. Yes,
I have a suggestion. I have a suggestion.
yes. What's your suggestion?
I'm suggesting why for these trial classes, why don't we keep it open other than requiring you to admit so that it doesn't interrupt the lesson. People can walk in and out whenever they feel like.
Oh, all right. You'll have to inbox me about that, and maybe we see how to go about it, Mr. Ronnie. Thank you very much.
All right, all
All
right.
right. Yes, I appreciate your suggestion. Yes. All right. Thank you, Asimwe. Thank you, Gift, Sheila, Gabriel, Nizey, Kenneth, John, Shema,
Share,
Ronnie,
share.
Sheshie. Yes, I like that. We learned how to say thank you and goodbye. How do you say goodbye? Say goodbye. Zaijian. Zaijian. Yes, Sheshie. Very good. All right. Bye bye. See you guys.
See you, guy.
Bye bye. Zaijian.